are connected into a table, and here in SQL table was created in using create table command. This is a table. For example, if we have a table like this, for example, first one is a customer ID, second one is a name, and third one is an address, and final fourth one is an age. This overall the table name is customer details. Each one customer ID, name, address, and age are these field. In each field we have some particular varchar or conditions are there in the table. This is a field. The field is in a column of the table. For example, if we have in the previous slide, it's based on a customer ID, name, address, age, or these are the fields. And record is another table in the row in the table. It is based on the record. If we have a 10 record, means that 10 field of rows is called on a record. It is on a horizontal entry of a table. If it is in a column, is an vertical entry. For example, if the field of address having some particular entry values is called as a column. These are the columns. What is here we can to see about null value. Null value is a no value. It is not in a space of 0. It is a nothing. If we have some customer ID means, for example, if we have a customer ID 7 means there is no customer name. It is represented as null values. So thanks for watching.